Hey viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In accounting, we all know that the accounting equation is of immense importance. For better accounting studying, it is very important to understand the accounting equation. It is sometimes very hard for beginners and non-accountants to recognize the accounting equation. So, in this video, we will learn 1. What is the accounting equation? 2. What is the basic accounting equation? 3. What is the expanded accounting equation? And 4. Example of accounting equation. Please watch this video from start to end, otherwise you will not be able to understand the core concept of the accounting equation. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting videos. So, let's get started. What is the accounting equation? In a given time, the total assets should be equal to the sum of the liabilities and the equity of the owner. The equation that represents this basic framework is called the accounting equation. Important note about accounting equation. 1. Accounting equation is applicable to all business transactions. 2. Accounting equation applies to both small businesses and large corporations. 3. Accounting equation provides the underlying framework for recording and summarizing business transactions. What is the basic accounting equation? The relationship of the basic accounting equation is that the assets must be equal to the sum of the liabilities and the equity of the owner. The basic accounting equation is A equals L plus OA. Here, A equals assets, assets are resources a business owns. L equals liabilities, liabilities are creditorship claims on total assets. OA equals owner's equity, owner's equity is the ownership claim on total assets. So we can say that the basic accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. What is the expanded accounting equation? The expanded accounting equation is A equals L plus CD plus RE. Here, A equals assets, assets are resources a business owns. L equals liabilities, liabilities are creditorship claims on total assets. C equals owner's capital is assets the owner puts into the business. D equals owner's drawings are the assets the owner withdraws for personal use. R equals revenues are increases in assets resulting from income earning activities. E equals expenses are the costs of assets consumed or services used in the process of earning revenue. So we can say that the expanded accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity, owner's drawings plus revenues, expenses. Example of accounting equation. Now we try to understand the basic and expanded accounting equation with an example. Example of accounting equation. Example 1, Mr. X invested cash $18,000 in the business. Here involved two accounts, cash account and owner's investment account. Now we try to understand what will be the impact on the accounting equation for this transaction. Here, cash is an asset which increased by $18,000 and the owner's investment is an owner's equity which also increased by $18,000. As a result, total assets equals total liabilities. That is $18,000 equals $18,000. So we can say that the accounting equation is always equal. For better understanding, please look at the screen example. Example 2. Service provided for $4,000 in cash and $5,000 on credit. Here involve three accounts: cash account, service revenue account, and accounts receivable account. Now we try to understand what will be the impact on the accounting equation for this transaction. Here, cash and accounts receivable are an asset which increased by $4,000 and $5,000 and service revenue is a part of the owner's equity which also increased by $9,000. As a result, total assets equals total liabilities. That is $9,000 equals $9,000. So we can say that the accounting equation is always equal. For better understanding, please look at the screen example. At the end of the video, I think you're clear about the accounting equation. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.